Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. This is the Redmi mobile phone and this is the another device. Okay, at first you have to move on setting, then here you can see this is the Wi-Fi, so just click on Wi-Fi. After you have been moved on Wi-Fi, here you can see this scanner. Okay, so here just click on this scanner. Okay, here is the scanner, click on it. After you have been click on scanner, put on the side, and now let's move on another device setting. Then here you have to move on this Wi-Fi. Then you can see here is the tap to share password, or just search the QR code. Okay, just move there and search the QR code. So now let's scan it. So here you can see I have connected. Okay, so see it has been connected, right? So you can connect it like this. Okay, this is wrong, wait, see here it has been connect Wi-Fi, it's now moving, right? It has been activated. So you can connect the Wi-Fi like this on your mobile phone. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.